Sure guys, we come back to speaker now. So today bengifuna nokukhuluma nge-festival, i-Beach Festival, i-event eyenzeka eDurban ngoDecember. Actually kwenzeka on the first weekend kaDecember. So i-event ehostwa eGagas FM. So i-Beach Fest yenzeka okwesi-12 this year. So I was lucky ukuthi ngathende the first one ababeyenzile ngo-2013. I remember ama-headliners kwaku Black Coffee, aka Sashisa ke lapho uZahara wayeshisa ukhona uNaima K. So hosta nje abantu abambalwa. I think attendance it was less than 500 because yayenziwa lapha ngaseMabhida khona indawo babeyibiza nge people kiss lapha kuyiportion encane and then yakhula event bayithatha bayisa eSouth Beach yakhula bayithatha bayise Blue Lagoon and right now sebenza People's Park lapha. So I shout out to Gagas FM because event yabo ibe sold out ngomhla ka 5 November. So I was shocked ukuthi amathikithi ebe sold out kanje because ama-general lawa asedayise wonke. So from event ekade i-host abantu abo 500 sikwazi ukudayisa amathikithi like more than 18,000 within a month. I think kumele sinikeze ama-flowers Gagas lapho. No, they are killing it when it comes to Beach Fest because I think for the third time iba sold out ungakashayi December because ya 2023 yaba sold out. I remember nami ngithi ngifuna ukuya kuyona angalithola ithikithi. Ya 2024 yaba sold out. I was lucky ukuthi ithikithi ngalithola but ngalithola kumuntu oselithengile before. So this year I was also hoping ukuthi ngizolithenga early ticket but ke I'm always lazy, I'm always late. So now this year angilitholanga. So but I think i-lineup this year ayikho stronger than last year. I feel like last year ya 2014 lelo kwale ya 2023 strong kakhulu. This lineup ngiyayibona just but I think I'm not impressed nge-lineup yakhona but event izoba big because sekuyi-family gathering yase-KZN lapha. So khona abantu from oBudanda, abo-Newcastle, abo-Richards Bay, like the entire KZN ifika lapha. And one thing I noticed last year abantu bafika early la festival because around 10 AM ngase ngikhona sizingangenathikithi ngangiyozama ukuthi abo ngithola umuntu odayisa ithikithi or anything. So before 10 AM abantu basebekhona betshela ama-security ukuthi bafuna ukungena. So nje I think abantu ba-understand ukuthi ama-event aseDurban afana nabo Beach Fest ivala ngo-12 ebusuku. So that's why iqala early. So abantu mawufuna ukuya ku-Beach Fest ungafuna uphuthwa abantu abakhulu ozobabuka kumele ufike early because akhona ama-artist agcina seperforma like mhlawumbe ngabo-4 ntambama. Like I remember last year ngena waseperforma uGold Mix like omunye umuntu ngathi nami ngiyombuka ngafika iset yakhe siyophela. It was early, it was before 5. So mawufuna ku-Beach Fest ungaphoxeki, you must be early, ufike nje early ngempela because lapha nakuperforma ngesikhathi ngempela. And ama-performance abo athe ukuba made mhlawumbe abaperforma 20 minutes because ama-festival enye into ephinde ngiyinyanya ngama-festival just bavele babiza ama-artist amaningi but aperforma isikhathi esincane. So it doesn't make sense ukuthi sikhokhe imali sobuka umuntu uzoperforma for 15 minutes omunye maybe for 10 minutes like ama-festival afana nabo Back to the City abo. It doesn't make sense ube ne-lineup enkulu for abantu abangezokuperforma kakhulu. So one thing engiyithanda nge-Beach Fest kunabantu abaperforma isikhathi eside like abo 30 minutes like I remember uKabza benomaporisa last day bahlanganisa i-setup because babebhukhwe as Scorpion King. So leyo sethi yayilonga. So enye ke isethi ngangi-enjoyile leyo. So nje bengifuna nje ukureacta kulento ye-Beach Fest ukuthi amathikithi aphelile but ke la abayiqumama-ke laba abashiswa imali asekhona ama-VIP tickets abiza 1,000 ke wona-ke awakapheli. So mawuthi ufuna ukuya ku-Beach Fest noma ufuna ukuya eDurban mhlawumbe uyatravela from eJozi, Eastern Cape, Western Cape, anyway akhona-ke ama-VIP tickets asadayiswa i-1,000 ke wona but lo festival no hayi yashisa. And umuntu o-interesting kwi-lineup ngibona ukuthi uzonyazisa ngempela inkundla lapha ne-stage umafika izolo because usually bahlezi bebhuka i-artist eli-1 lamaskandi. Baqala ngo-2019 babhuka uKhuzani on the following year after i-COVID babhuka uMthandeni babhuka into encane. Last year bebebhuke uMthandeni bebembhuke last year babebhuke into encane before yena and then this year babiza uMafika Izolo. So I think uMafika Izolo vele ke unengoma eshisayo, ingoma etrendayo, ingoma ezohlukanisa unyaka. So I think i-performance ezoba outstanding. Nalaba bafana uyibona ukuthi bephethe unyaka abe-Christep uJezwek benothukuthela nabo I think into yabo izoba outstanding. So unfortunately ithikithi angilitholanga so speaker now but besifuna ukushuthi i-content but anyway shout out to Gagas FM. I think sebesibonisile ukuthi ngempela ama-festival akhula kanjani because ikhule right in front of our eyes. Seyibhekile lapha nala festival because yaqale ingaka yaza yaba ngaka and right now ayikwenye level. So sekhona on Twitter it's Speaker Now, esikhona uFacebook it's Speaker Now, esikhona uInsta it's Speaker Now, esikhona TikTok c.speaker.now. You can also search us with Twitch at Speaker Now, or else you can search me with Twitter on Twitter. My Twitter handle @go_Nkosi. Away, we out.